Hello, architect. I'm here for the revision of the construction. How is the construction going?
Hi, architect. I am ready to work, but one of the construction workers needs a license to operate the crane.
Well, that's an inconvenience. I heard there was some damages to the pipes.
Yeah, there were some damage to the pipes, but they're getting work done.
What kind of equipment is your team working with?
We're working with excavators, bulldozers, cranes, backhoes, mixer, powers, compactors, and they really help to easy the work here.
Oh, which are the excavators?
They're the heavy construction equipment of their such as the dump trucks that they're perfect for construction and the landscaping.
Nice. So, what are you using? You're using for the construction?
A concrete mixer to combine cement, sand, or gravel. And we're using bricks for the majority of the walls.
hmm Can I help with something else here?
Yes, I was necessary to buy nuts and bolts of this measure. In addition, they need some spare parts for the rotary hammer that they are using here. That will be quite helpful. Do you think you can help them?
No problem. You guys need something else?
No, many things. Just need the reaching some varieties for the drills and all.
Okay. What are those workers doing over that wall?
They're using masking tape to not drip paint anywhere.
Oh, that's kind of handy. Even though it looks like you guys need some paint rollers and extra brushes, I've got some in the truck.
Thanks, I will help a lot.
hmm This site needs more scaffolding, it seems.
We ran out of the for some reason.
I'll get some scaffolding for you if you need some. Don't worry about it. And so almost done with my revision of the construction. I'll just need to take some photos and I'll be out on my way.
Okay, so that we everything today.
Yes, it was nice speaking with you. Until next time.
If you need something, you're already now that you can out on me anything.
Okay, thanks.